Welcome to our 5 on 5. We're pleased to welcome back Wayne Shammel, an attorney for the Cow Creek Band of the Umpqua Tribe of Indians. Wayne, good to see you.
Okay, good to see you.
Thanks for coming in. So what is the latest on the Cow Creek's disagreement with the Coquel over a possible Medford casino?
Well, it's still stuck in a political phase, and their application hasn't moved from the Bureau of Indian Affairs into their environmental impact process yet. We've been able to raise enough issues about whether they have the legal right to do it, and there's been enough political pushback, including from the governor, our regional state legislators, our 2 state senators. So it's on hold. You know, the Coquels are not as happy about that and are pushing hard to try and get this through. Our understanding was that they believed that their application would be moving along sometime this spring. Battle continues.
Okay, and so as I understand it, some other Oregon tribes have 2 casinos, or second casinos, smaller ones like the Coquel is proposing for here in Medford. Is that true? And why?
It's my understanding that the Warm Springs tribe opened up a second casino at the site of their original casino at the Canita Resort on the Warm Springs Reservation, and then opened up what is their one Class 3 casino somewhere on the reservation as well. The difference between that and what the Coquels are doing is that was land that belonged to the tribe on their reservation prior to the passage of the Indian Gaming Act in 1988. The same thing is, we believe or understand, is going on with the Confederated Tribes of Coos, Lower Umpqua, and Siuslaw over in Coos Bay. They have a piece of land that was Indian land prior to the passage of the Indian Gaming Act, also there in Empire, about a couple of miles from where the Coquels have their mill casino. And we understand that they're moving to open a Class 2 casino there as well. Again, the difference is those were reservation lands that these tribes had from time immemorial. It's not reservation shopping like we're seeing here in Medford. This area was never part of the Coquels' Aboriginal territory. The only reason that they have a claim to it at all was based on the restoration statute, to provide services to their members. Services to their members versus opening a casino in downtown Medford, kind of a far stretch.
Okay, very good. Well, we're going to take a quick break. We'll have much more with Wayne in a moment. Stay with us. Welcome back to our 5 on 5. We're getting here with Wayne Shammel, an attorney for the Cow Creek Band of the Umpqua Tribe of Indians. So, Wayne, as I understand it, one of the reasons the Coquel want a Medford casino is because of the risk for earthquake. Geologists say Oregon is going to get at some point. That, among other problems, of course, could lead to a tsunami. Is that not a reason for them to be able to move or to open a different casino to divide their resources? It's
a persuasive sympathy argument, but everybody has those too. The fact of the matter is that where the Cow Creek Casino is in Canyonville is actually in a higher insurance risk category because of the risk of wildfire and flood. We did the research on that. Even with the tsunami risk, our natural disaster risk category is higher here in Central Oregon. The other fact of the matter about the Coquels' claims about the tsunami is, yes, the tsunami is likely to happen again, but they already own hundreds of additional acres above the tsunami impact zone. And in fact, the inundation maps for the event that they're talking about don't even show it completely wiping out the lands where their current casino sits. So, yes, I do believe in the pattern of natural disasters likely to occur, but we're just as likely to have a wildfire where we're at. And frankly, we'd like to be sitting in a more populous, safe area for our facility too. We're just adhering to the principle of 1 casino per tribe in their Aboriginal grounds and doing the best that we can. We of course I'd love to have a casino in a highly populated, very, very safe place.
All right, so Wayne, we've entered the legal arena of this disagreement between the 2 tribes. How long could this process take? Where do we go from here?
It's going to be a multi-year process yet. There's not likely to be any lawsuits per se, maybe even yet this year. The Bureau of Indian Affairs is going to have to make some final decisions. And there's likely to be some other parties coming in and objecting on a legal basis. I would imagine the Oregon Lottery retailers, recipients of Oregon Lottery funds, the people that are becoming more aware of the impacts of the proposed Coquel Casino are likely to step in on the political side and be active in the legal side of the battle as that progresses. It could be a matter of some years yet before this winds its way out of the courts.
All right, very good. Good to see you again. Thanks
for
coming
in.
Appreciate it. Stay with us. We'll be right back.